Minister's statement, now it seems that it has become a political flashpoint. Where after China has echoed Trump, Congress now attacks the Prime Minister over China's claim, questions the Prime Minister's silence on the China row, demanding that the centre now comes clean on the facts.
Our Prime Minister is so coward, I don't know. Has he been blackmailed in hand of China? He was that, despite the fact that 60 times Trump has said that it was he who got ceasefire done. And the Prime Minister, PM Modi, had not refuted once. And now the PM should come out. What is the reality?
So as if the opposition claims that they don't know the reality about what had actually happened when the DGMOs of those countries, and it was Pakistani DGMO who dialed the Indian counterpart to claim that please stop the conflict, we have had enough. Now, as far as when it comes to Congress is also concerned, there seems to be picking up this point that the Chinese foreign minister has now raised, and this is Jairam Ramesh of the Congress, saying that President Trump has long claimed that he personally intervened to halt Operation Sindoor on 10th of May 2025, and he has done so on 65 different occasions in various moments, in fact in 7 different countries. The Prime Minister never once broke his silence on these claims made by a so-called good friend. Now, the Chinese foreign minister makes a similar claim, says China also mediated. On the 4th of July 2025, the Deputy Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Rahul Singh, had publicly stated that during Operation Sindoor, India was actually confronting and combating China. Let's in the meantime also talk about how the BJP is responding.